කතා කරන්න යන්නේ. Right. Activity 7. එතන ඉන්නේ join the given sentences using an. මේ an කියන conjunction එක දාලා වාක්‍ය නිර්මාණය කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. මොන මම කියනවා ඔයාලට check කරගන්න පුළුවන්. The first one is what? Purni is tall, she is fat. So we have to join these two sentences using an. Purni is tall and tall.
Purni is tall and fat.
දැන් කවුද ඔය දෙක වසරේ ළමෙක් ඉන්නේ ඔකේ? එකේ වඳින්නේ කවුද? දෙක වසරේ ළමෙක් ඉන්නේ කවුද? ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ මොනවත් අඳින්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? හරි. Purni is tall and fat කිව්වනම් ඒ වාක්‍යය හරි. Let's go to the second one. Abdul is a good child.
Abdul is a
Good child. Oh.
And Murali is an intelligent child.
Hari, correct. එහෙම තිබ්බනම් හරි. Abdul is a good child and Murali is an intelligent child. And conjunction එක දාලා join කරන්න එහෙමයි. මේ වාක්‍යය හරි. ඒ වාක්‍ය දෙක ඕන්න හරි. Right. Now the next one, third one. I went to the canteen. I ate a bun. එතකොට මමමයි කැන්ටින් ගියේ මමමයි බන් එකක් කෑවේ. එකම කෙනා නිසා අපිට නැවත නැවතත් I කියන කෙනා දෙසරයක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. We can use adverbs. I went to the canteen and ate a bun. I went to the canteen and ate a bun. Correct?
Sir,
Oh.
sir මේකේ තව එකක් තියෙනවා දෙවෙනි එක.
පුතා කියන්නකෝ ඒක මොකද්ද කියලා?
Abdul plays football every day and very good player.
Abdul is playing football every day and a very good player. Right. Okay. Fourth sentence. Darren brushed his tooth. He washed his face. එතකොට Darren මයි මේ දේ කරන්නේ. Darren brushed his tooth and washed his face. Darren brushed his teeth and
washed his face.
Washed his face. Washed his face. Okay, number 4. Correct, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
number
sir.
5. Number 5. Sharin did her homework. She packed her bag. Sharin mai karla tiyenne. So no need to add both subjects again. Sharin did her homework and packed her bag. Okay. Right. Sixth sentence. Aunt cut a cake. She served it to all. Aunt cut a cake and served
Aunt
it to
cut
all.
a cake and served it to all.
Yes.
To
yes.
all.
Yes, correct. Aunt cut a cake and served it to all. Yes, correct. Now the 7th one. Tamal ran in the race.
Tamal ran in the race. And he
Won the race. Right. We can join it. Tamal ran in the race and won the race. Tamal ran in the race and won the race. Correct. Won the race. Correct. Number 8. Kokila brought flowers. Radha went to the temple.
Kokila brought flowers and Radha went to the temple.
Right.
Went to the temple.
Okay. Number 9. Rahul worshipped his
Excuse
mother.
me, sir.
Oh.
සර් මේ මගේ පොතේ තියෙන්නේ මේ ඒ විදිහට නෙවෙයිනේ අටවෙනි එක
අකමක් නැහැ. මොකක්ද ඔයාගේ අටවෙනි එක තියෙන්නේ?
Kokila brought flowers. Kokila arranged the flower vase.
එහෙනම් ඔයා කියන්න ඕන කොකිලා brought flowers and arranged the flower vase. හරිනේ? හරි? කොකිලාමනේ වැඩේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ආයේ කොකිලා ඕනේ නෑ. රාද නෑ. ඒ විදිහට ලියලා තිබුණා හරි එක. හරි නේද?
Hi sir.
Right, number 9. Rahul worship his mother. Rahul worship his father. එහෙනම් එයාමනේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Rahul worship his father and
Rahul
mother.
worshipped his mother and father.
කිව්වනම් ඉවරයි. ඉවච්චරයි. Rahul worship his father and mother. That's all.
Rahul worshipped his mother and Rahul worshipped his father.
Right. ඒක join කරපුවම ලියවෙන්න ඕන. Rahul worship his father and mother. එච්චරයි.
And mother.
Oh, yes, correct. Now the 10th one. Punsara drew a picture. Punsara painted the picture. එහෙනම්
Punsara drew a picture and Punsara painted the picture. Punsara
drew a picture and painted. Painted it. හරි painted the picture කිව්වත් කමක් නැහැ. Punsara drew a picture and painted the picture. Or it.
paint.
Right. Punsara drew a picture and painted it. නැත්නම් painted the picture. Correct. Alright. Okay, now we can go to the activity number 8. Insert and where necessary. ඇතුළත් කරන්න and කියන එක අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Right. Number 1. Raj speaks loudly fast. අපිට එතෙන්ට දාන්න පුළුවන් and කියන එක Raj speaks loudly and fast. Correct.
Raj speaks loudly and fast.
Fast. Correct. Second one. Shane
likes dancing and museum.
Yes.
And music.
Yes. Shane likes dancing and music. Correct. Third one. Senara broke her leg. Senara fell and broke her leg. Senara fell and broke her leg. Correct. Fourth one. Please put the milk, the eggs in the refrigerator. අපි එක කියනවා. Please put the milk and the eggs in the refrigerator. Please put the milk and the eggs in the refrigerator. Correct. Okay.
I have a cat and hat. I have a hat and 3 cats.
Correct. 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 Yes. I have a cat and 3 cats. Yes. Number 6. There are orange and bananas on the table.
There are oranges and bananas on the table.
Yes. Correct. Number 7. Vimuk likes
milk and ice cream.
Yes, Vikum likes milk. Yes, Vikum likes milk and ice cream. Number 8.
Orange juice and orange juice is sweet and orange juice is sweet and sour.
You can ambul කියන එක sour කියන්නේ sour. Orange juice is sweet and sour.
The police
The police lights are
police
blue and red.
lights are blue
And
and
red.
as are blue
Blue and red. Blue and red. Yes. The last one.
Please
Please give
Please
me a
give
red
me
pen.
a red pen and blue pen. Give me a red pen and a blue pen.
Yes, give me a red pen and a blue pen. Correct. Right. I think that unit is, yes, activity 9 is the last one, activity 9. So we have to join by using these two phrases. Join AB using the conjunctions and A, there are A side sentences and the B sides. First one, we will visit Anuradhapura and worship Sri Maha.
And worship Sri Mahabodhi.
Correct. Second one, the bus stop. The bus stop. And
A man got off.
yes, the man got off. Got off can bessa කියන එකයි. Bessa. The man got off. Correct. Pramodi got up in the morning.
Pramodi got up in the morning and made her bed.
Correct. Yes. Made her bed. Yeah. Right. Jayana brought a letter to a friend.
A letter to a friend and posted it.
Correct. Yes. Jayana wrote a letter to a friend and posted it. Good. I
had rice and chicken for lunch. I had rice and chicken for lunch.
I had chicken and rice for lunch. Yes, I had chicken and rice for lunch. Correct. Desarayak for lunch on in air. Mother bought a new dress.
Mother bought a new dress and a bag.
Mother brought a new dress and a bag. A bag. Yes. Next one. My grandmother can cook fast.
My grandmother can cook fast and her food is tasty too.
And her food is tasty too. Right, correct. Himaya washed the soap. Himaya washed the cup.
Himaya washed the cup and the
saucer. Saucer කියලා කියන්නේ.
Saucer. Himaya washed the cup and the saucer.
Himaya washed the cup and the saucer. Right. Punsara put a cover to her book. Punsara put a cover to her book.
Punsara put a cover to her book and pasted a sticker on it.
Correct. Pasted a sticker on it. Yes. Punsara put a cover to her book and pasted a sticker on it. Correct. Last one. Purni likes to dance and
sing.
Right. Good. Okay. We finished it. We finished that unit. Right. Now we can go to the other unit. This one. Right. We have come to unit number 6. What we do හරි. එමුදා unit 6 වලට අපි ගිය සතියේ unit 5 ඉවර කරා. දැන් unit 6 වලට ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. It's a new unit so we can do it. What we do අපි මොනවද කරන්නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කරන දේ මේකේ තේරුම තමයි what we do අපි කරන දේවල්. Right? අපි කරන දේවල් කියන එකයි මේකේ තේරුම. සුමුදුයි හාර්නී දෙන්න ඉන්නවා ඩයලොග් එකේ. මම කියන්නම් බලා ගන්න. හාර්නී I get up at 5 o'clock. හාර්නී මම අවදි වෙනවා 5ට. At what time do you get up? What is the meaning of at what time? කීයටද? ඔන්න දන්නේ නැත්නම් ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන්. At what time? කීයටද? At what time? At what time do you get up? ඔයා කීයටද නැගිටින්නේ කියලා යහන්න. Harvey, I get up at 5 o'clock. At what time do you get up? ඔයා කීයටද නැගිටින්නේ? Harvey ආස කරනවා. I get up at 4:45 a.m. මම නම් 4:45 නැගිටිනවා. And my mother gets up. මගේ අම්මා නම් නැගිටින්නේ at 4:30. එයා 4:30ට. සුමුදු කියනවා my mother gets up at 4 o'clock. මගේ අම්මා නම් 4ට නැගිටින්නේ. She makes tea and wakes me up. එයා තේ හදලා අපිව අවදි කරවනවා. Wake up. Wake up අවදි කරවනවා. She makes me up. අවදි කරවනවා. එයා අපිව අවදි කරවනවා. My sister and I help her to cook. My sister. වෙන කතා නවත්තන්න. Right. My sister and I help her to cook. මමයි sister දෙන්න උදව් කරනවා යාට උයන්න. හාරුණේ කියනවා we too අපිත් මේ two කියන එකේ තේරුම අල්පයන්. two කියන්නේ අල්පයන්. We too help our mother to cook. අපිත් උදව් කරනවා අපේ අම්මට උයන්න. I peel onions. Peel කියන්නේ what is the meaning of peel? පොතු අරිනවා ලෙලි අරිනවා. සුද්ධ කරනවා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. පොතු අරිනවා. I peel onion and my father scrapes coconut. Scrapes කියන්නේ ගානවා. Scrapes ගානවා. ගානවා. පොල් ගානවට තමයි scrape coconuts කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? හරි. මම නූරු පොතු අරිනවා තාත්තා පොල් ගාලා දෙනවා. සුමුදු I worship Lord Buddha and study for some time. මම බුදුන් වැඳලා study කියන්නේ පාඩම් කරනවා. study පාඩම් කරනවා. Right? Study for some time. අපි ටික වෙලාවක් පාඩම් කරනවා මම. කාරණේ කියනවා we offer flowers. What is the meaning of offer? පූජා කරනවා. Offer means what? පූජා කරනවා පිරිනමනවා. අපි මල් පූජා කරනවා to God Ganesh and pray. ගණ දෙවියන්ට තමයි අපි මල් පූජා කරන්නේ. And pray. That is the meaning of pray. යාඥා කරනවා. ගාථා කියලා වන්දනා කරනවා කියන්නේ pray. Christian says pray කියලා කරනවා කියන්නේ යාඥා කරනවා. Pray. Then Sumudu, I worship Lord Buddha. I worship Lord Buddha and then study for some time. We offer flowers to God Ganesh and pray. Sumudu, our school bus comes at 6:30 a.m. Our school bus again. At Vinadi Hapo got log wind away. Second session log wind. School bus again was 6:30 a.m. So I get ready and have my breakfast. Me get ready කියන එකේ තේරුම සූදානම් වෙනවා. Get ready. සූදානම් වෙනවා. Right? Lord Buddha and this one. Right. Our school bus comes at 6:30 a.m. So I get ready and have my breakfast. මම සූදානම් වෙලා have කියන්නේ උතන කනවා ගන්නවා කියන එක. කනවා බොනවට අපි have පාවිච්චි කරනවා. I have my breakfast